DCP is a local affair. We have left it to Senator Methu and Jiko Muhea and the local people to do their politics. And I want to tell my brother Irungu Kangata, I heard him saying that he wants to come with the Damonanchi to Ol Kalou. We don't need you there for DCP unless you are coming to campaign for another party. If you want to come and campaign for UDA, please go ahead. If you want to come and campaign for Jubilee, go ahead, or any other party. But DCP, ours is a local campaign. We don't want confusion in Ol Kalou. The campaign has gone on for 3 months. Irungu Kangata has never been in Ol Kalou. He does not understand Ol Kalou. He doesn't understand the issues. He doesn't understand the narrative. She cannot come and bring Leader Mwananchi there to campaign the last day without knowing what the issues are and how the campaign is being done. That campaign has been going on for 2 months, led by Senator John Methu and others. You have not even talked to John Methu. How do you say you are coming to campaign for a candidate? You don't even know him. You have never seen him. You don't know the area. You don't know what is happening. For DCP, we have a local campaign. Even the principals of the United Alternative Government have requested them to let the people of Ol Kalou do their own campaign. It's a local campaign with the local issues, and we would like it to remain that way. That is what I have told Senator of Muranga to tell Irungu Kangata. As he let Ol Kalou, it's not necessary. Let him leave the people of Ol Kalou to do their own campaign and deal with their issues the way they know how. I am on standby myself. I have not been to Ol Kalou because it's not necessary. The campaign is going on very well. But if the team leader, Senator John Methu, requests my presence in Ol Kalou, I'll be available. That request has not come. And I'm happy with what is going on. And it's going on so well that